Recently, we had the opportunity to stay at the most luxurious villa in Dar es Salaam, Tanzania. Words can't even describe how impressive this place is. This was by far the most beautiful house we've ever stayed in. Journey with us as we try to capture the true essence of this phenomenal work of art. So first, we're going to start you right over here to my right. This is your very luxurious, modern dining area with a beautiful soft rug for your feet. It's nice. We have an air conditioner on the wall for those of you who can't take the heat. Right this way, we have a sink. You guys know that houses in Tanzania always have a sink nearby the dining area. Keep those hands clean. Right here, we have the first of the bathrooms. This is gonna be like a guest bathroom down in the main area. So the next thing I'll be showing you guys is the beautiful living room. Look how spacious and luxurious this is. Okay, you can fit, I don't know, probably 20 people on here, 30 skinny people. Right here, we have just a little decorative table. Nice place to set your phone. Mirrors. The decoration in this house is out of this world. They did an amazing job. So we have something for the guys right over here when you're vacationing, having a good time with your friends. Right here. This is for the fellas. Also for the ladies who know how to play a good game of pool. I know a little bit, but I'm not that good. But you know, you have beautiful chairs in here. You can sip something while the guys play. You can get in there, see what you can do, but it's beautiful. Have this nice art piece on the wall, everything you can ask for. Come right along. So next, we're entering the kitchen. Now this kitchen is beautiful. It's perfect for people who love to cook. It comes fully stocked. There's pots and pans, all the things you need to make a nice meal. A very nice gas range. We got over here, big double-sided sink with the area that slopes down to drain your dishes. There's also built-in drying rack in these 3 drawers right here to keep all your clean dishes out of the way. This beautiful island with 3 seats. So, you know, you want to show people how your cooking skills are. They can be right here with you, or they can be helping you chop up the goods, whatever you want. Now we have an oven right here and microwave. You know, we need this. This is a very large refrigerator. Since we've been in Tanzania, we haven't been in a house that had a refrigerator this big. So, full-size refrigerator, ice maker, it does water, all of that. There's everything you can ask for. Next, we have the first bedroom of the house, the only bedroom on this floor. So this is a beautiful bedroom for anyone, a child, an adult. It has a desk right here. You can do some work. You can use it as a vanity. It has a mirror as well. We have this beautiful bed, nice and cozy. Ample closet space. They even give you a little hamper for your laundry. So while you're on vacation, you don't have clothes thrown everywhere. And this is your bathroom. So shower situation. We have a toilet, your nice mirror, a little cup to put your toothbrush and everything in. Beautiful bedroom. So moving right along, we're gonna take this party upstairs. So we're gonna take you into the first bedroom out of the 3 on this floor. So let's go. So coming right in the door, the first thing you're gonna see is this large closet. It has big mirrors so you can see your whole outfit, make sure you're looking good before you start your day. Right here you have a nice little seat, big window to see outside, okay? There's a dresser right here with a mirror. Dresser right here, and then you have this big comfortable bed with 2 nightstands for you and your husband, wife, all of that going on. And also there's a very soft rug under your feet, under the chair as well. And this one right here, this is actually a balcony that you can walk out. We're not gonna walk out here right now, but you can open this up. There's 2 chairs, a table, and some plants out there overlooking the backyard. So this is the bathroom for this room. All of these rooms have their own private bath. So you have your sink, your toilet, and it has an enclosed shower. So those of you who have seen some of our house tours before or just have been in Tanzania or are in Tanzania right now, you know that a lot of the bathrooms are wet baths, so there's no enclosure for the shower, but these are enclosed. So this is the second bedroom on this floor. Once again, when you come in, there's a closet right here on the wall. Beautiful bed, beautiful bed. Look how fancy this is, luxurious. There's a mirror going around the bed. It's nice and soft, velvety, you like that, okay? Also, another wonderful view of the backyard through this window. Balcony on this one as well, 2 seats, your table, nice beautiful plants. You have a little vanity situation over here with some drawers. Chair, sitting area, and right here we have the bathroom. Once again, this bathroom is like a mirror image of the same. It's the same as the other one. We got the, sink, toilet, enclosed shower. Now, both of these bathrooms also do have the little nook in the wall to place your soap, your hand towels, whatever you're gonna place in there. So this is like a second living room. I guess you can call it a bonus room. This is just right here on the landing when you get to the second floor. There's a huge television. There's some storage down there, coffee table, these 2 sofas with recliners. They have cup holders in here. There's an air conditioner in here. Forgot to mention that there's pretty much an air conditioner in like every room in this house, except for like the bathroom. Okay. Now this room right here, this is where the magic happens. No, really. This is the master bedroom, and it's probably the best one you've ever seen. Let's go. So we'll start over here, sitting area, and look, these chairs rock. These are like those good like glider rockers, like the kind in like nurseries. Good chair, very smushy, very comfortable, and they give you these really nice soft blankets to go with it. You got this large television, and they even put a little fridge in here with water and a coffee maker so that you can really stay in this room, get up, get your morning started before you even leave the room. It's amazing. Another big, marvelous window. This just shows you out the side of the house. And then here, this is for our busy bees, people like us who have to work while we're traveling. Big, beautiful desk to get your work done while you're in this lovely room. You'll stay nice and cool. There's an air conditioner right above your head. There's one right there as well. And if you decided to stay here long term, there's ample storage to unpack and get comfortable. Nobody likes living out of a bag. Now there's a balcony right here, table, chairs, and this outlooks the front of the house. Now, this is what we call a bedroom, people. Like, look at this. This bed, I don't know how big this bed is, but it's bigger than a king size bed because we had a king size bed. Now, we slept here last night and we couldn't have been further apart. With a baby in the middle, none of us touched each other, even with the rolling and the flopping of the baby. So this is an enormous bed. They have the lights in here, the little vanity situation. There's chairs under here, ample storage. There's light switches right here for you to plug all your personal items. There's decorations on the wall. On this side, there's switches for the lights behind these mirrors and for the lights that are lining the bottom of the wall. Now, when you come behind this wall, this is the closet of all closets, okay? Now, anybody that's in Tanzania, tell me when's the last time you've seen a whole closet? Because most houses in Tanzania have, you know, something on the wall for a closet, but this is a whole room, carpeted, a carpeted room. We have not seen that since we've been here. Big and beautiful to fit all of your things. Large, comfortable storage ottoman. You can sit here while you lotion up when you get out of the shower. There's also an air conditioner in here. Isn't that considerate? So you can stay nice and cool while you're changing clothes. Now this right here is the bathroom with the glass door leading in. Very beautiful. Now, his and her sinks, guys. Okay? Lighted vanity, okay? You can change the color of the light, turn it off. Built-in hair dryer for all the ladies or the men with long hair, dreads, whatever you may have going on. Now I know y'all haven't seen one of these. If you've seen one of these since you've been in Tanzania, drop it in the comments. Send me a picture, because I want to see it. Now this has jets all in it. This is for 2 people, but 2 big people, because it looks like it can fit more than 2 people in here. You can fit you and your kids and your bathing suits and pretend like you're taking a swim. So this right here is the toilet. So it's completely separated, frosted glass, so you don't have to see your spouse doing anything gross in the morning. And this is our beautiful shower. Rain head shower, okay guys. Now I had a very luxurious shower in here last night. It was beautiful. There's plenty of hot water. Plenty of water, obviously. You can tell by the size of this tub right here. But that rain head shower drops the water droplets on you ever so delicately. It was beautiful, okay? So that is the master. Now we're gonna take you up one more flight of stairs because this is a large house. There is a 3rd floor, so let's go. So this is the final bedroom. This is up here on the 3rd floor, all by itself, complete privacy. Let's come on in. So another very good sized bed in here. Large windows, private balcony once again. This one is also outlooking the backyard. We have a nice chair for you to sit and take a little breather. Dresser with mirror, and there you can see the reflection of your big closet with all the keys in it so you can lock up your stuff if you feel the need to. And this is your bathroom. Now this one is really nice. The tile in this one is giving a more masculine vibe. It has like the wood look. And this one's fully enclosed. Rain head shower, of course. Okay guys, let's check out this rooftop area. Now look at this, guys. All of this space. Like, you could have parties out here. You could get married up here. There are so many things that you could do because it's beautiful. And they have this little space right here so you can hang out, get a little shade if you want, do a little gathering. But you can just enjoy the weather. Enjoy the beautiful, beautiful scenery in this country, which is amazing. You can see all the open land in the distance and the houses that they're building. And also, even with that being said, in the house, we've seen them building things, but you can't even really just hear it a lot in this house. So it's really nice. It's pretty quiet. So let's go ahead and take you down into the best part, which is the backyard. Let's go. So if you think you've seen the best of this house, and it was definitely beautiful, you would be wrong. We have this beautiful backyard starting right here with this trampoline. Now, this is great for the kids. It has the safety net and everything, so they're jumping up and down. They're not gonna fall out and have any situations. Adults wanna jump in here, I will jump in here. It's great. Right here, we have a nice outdoor dining situation. You're gonna have a barbecue, a picnic. We got you. We got 8 chairs, that's more than enough. y'all can get it popping. So right here, we have the first of a few sitting areas. This one's really nice because it has a lot of seats. It has this one. This is my favorite chair right here. Very comfortable, very nice. Now, you can actually set up a projector right here, and it's gonna play on this big white wall of this house, and it is beautiful at night, okay? So you have all this space, have a little movie night with your friends, your family, lovely. Now this, for all of you hammock lovers, this is like a hammock 2.0 if you ask me, okay? Now this is a big swing, space for you to lay down. I can get on here, my husband can get on here with me, our baby, there's plenty space. It's beautiful, it's a nice little swing for nighttime or during the day. Like right now when the sun is out, beautiful. Another sitting area. You don't even need another one, but when you want to get it popping and you want to have a bunch of people, big party, more space. Now we come this way. All of these beautiful plants leading up this walkway, the stairs. Now this actually is turf, so it's gonna be beautiful all year long. It's gonna look nice in all your pictures because we know y'all like to get on Instagram and snap all those photos. Now this right here, for those of you who love to swim, those of you who know how to swim, it's about 7 feet right here, lit up at night with the beautiful lights. It's a vibe. It's lower on the end, so you can put your babies in there, a little splash pad happening over there. And then right here, now this is the grown and sexy situation. We have a little fire pit, nice seating for you and all of your friends. It's definitely giving luxury vibes out here. Now, this swing chair, this is one of my favorite kind of chairs. I like the swing. I'm not gonna get in it so y'all don't see me fumbling around getting up and out of this thing. But this is beautiful. It has a very soft, cushiony situation. It's nice. When you get out of the pool, this is where you're gonna land with your little towel, soak up the rays, get a little tan. It's beautiful. And now this one, now y'all know I said I like a swing chair. Now this is the reclining swing chair. I don't even think I've seen one of these before, but this right here, definitely beautiful, definitely nice. Get you some nice photos for your Instagram as well right here. Now, this is something we definitely need out here in Tanzania. This is a generator. So last night the electricity went out. It literally went out for like 10 seconds. This thing kicked back on. It was lit up like Christmas in here. It was great, okay? So the last thing in this beautiful backyard is an outdoor kitchen. Let's take a look. Now, you wanna make a nice breakfast, you wanna have a nice situation going on out here, you wanna fry something and don't want the house to smell, there's a fully stocked kitchen. Now, you have oven, microwave, there's pots and pans under here, separate from in the house, gas stove with the hood, sink, drying rack, and a nice refrigerator. Now y'all know, those of you who are already out here, a lot of the refrigerators are very small. This is a very good size refrigerator, especially to be an extra one that's not in the house. You also have a freezer right here. If you wanted to stay here for a while, get stocked up and not have to leave, because you have all of these things you really don't have to leave, you can stock this freezer up. You won't even be leaving this place. You'll be locked up in here having a good time. So that's everything we have for you today, guys. We hope you enjoyed it as much as we definitely did. If you want to stay at this place, we'll have links below for their Instagram and their Airbnb. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you like this content. And, come hang out with us. We'll be here. And as always, shalom.